Hello, traders. FS Speculator here. Today is Sunday, February 4th, and this is my recap of the top of videos from Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number two, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure to check out the video that I made Friday morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So non-farm payroll did end up rejecting structure, kind of as we expected. Nice big push to the downside at the news. At this point, I think it's pretty clear that this is some sort of a big ABCDE pattern and that it is most likely going to go down, take out the lower wave four. I would expect a minimum is at least a 38%, and it possibly could go to the 50 or even the 61% Fibonacci retracement of this whole push up on the daily time frame. So definitely looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I don't think I would go short now. I'd have to see some sort of a proper pullback. If it does start making a decent pullback, then I would put my Fibonacci retracement on here, and I would be looking for some sort of a three-way pattern like a ABC, or maybe even a WXY or some sort of a flat pattern. And then I would be looking for a Fibonacci bounce, a big bearish engulfing move to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.